Fred here at Night Vision Specialist. Today I'm going to be talking about the brand new Fusion Thermal Avenger lineup. They got two new scopes out, the Avenger 55 and the Avenger 40. To say that I'm excited about these would be an understatement. They're incredible. The quality is unmatched, unparalleled. Let's get into it. We're going to start off with the unboxing. The presentation of the packaging is great. It's well padded. We've got a user's manual here, quick start guide, ITAR statement, and the window decal, optics cleaning cloth, USA to USB-C cord, 18650 batteries times 4, 2 clear carrying cases for the batteries, a charger and a cord, and the scope, and everything fits in here very nicely. Let's go over the key points of this scope. The T3 controls has 3 controls to control the whole scope other than on and off and record. So color palettes, sighting, zooming, any of that stuff is all covered in these 3 buttons, and the center button is raised so much that you can tell where your fingers are with gloves on. The second thing is the KISS menu. It's an acronym for Keep It Simple. Whenever you do enter the menu system, you'll see in the video I've got it broke down, real simple, real easy to find what you need to find, get to it, get it done, get it out of it. Micro quick focus. It's got micro clicks. You can really feel each click of those on the focus, and it's very, very, very detailed. And the depth of focus on this thing is crazy. It has a wave sensor. Wave is an acronym, but that's their proprietary sensor system. It has arc-light germanium glass, the best germanium glass you can get. It has a tactical Unity mount from the factory. It's not an upgrade, comes with it. And it's all nitrogen purged. It's one of the very few thermals that are actually nitrogen purged from the factory. It's Wi-Fi enabled. They do have an app that they're working on. I don't know that it's completed yet, but it will be soon. It has video and audio recording. You can take pictures. It's the whole package. But one of the best parts about this scope is it runs off 18650 batteries, 2 of them. Rechargeable. It comes with 4 batteries in the package. It comes with a charger. You just unscrew this thing, put your 2 batteries in, you're good to go. I'm going to move into a video I made on the menu, and the video and audio is the scope itself that you'll see on the upcoming clip. Alright, a long press of the center button will bring up the menu. You can see we have image mode, color palette, sighting, video recording, and settings. On the image mode, we will have standard, enhanced, search, track, rescue, and 3 user-defined modes. On the color palette, you'll have white hot, black hot, red hot, and predator, which is like a rainbow. On the sighting menu, this is the best thing since sliced bread, in my opinion. You've got 6 different guns, 7 different reticles, 4 or 5 different reticle colors, reticle brightness settings, but they've got 2 different zero types here. Easy zero is for like your 50-yard zero. A base magnification, 50-yard zero, you shoot, freeze frame, you see your point of impact, you move your reticle over to the point of impact, and you're out of it, and you're zeroed pretty much. First shot zero. It's super easy. I use a traditional zero because I zero a lot further away. You can see it's up, down, left, right, not X, Y. I love that. And then when we enter it, you'll notice that there's 0.0 inches at 50 yards at the top. That is this actual session into these coordinates. I have a total of 5.56 inches down of center on the scope right now. So, and the scope is zeroed at this time. So I'll move it here in a second. There you go. Boom. Move it back. You can see it's 0.23 inches down is what I'd moved, and now I'm back to zero. So if you go in and you move something and you don't know for sure if you did right, you can just go back to zero and exit out. So simple as that. Video, available space, USB pairing, Wi-Fi, erase all video files, video readiness mode, and a microphone mode. So video readiness mode we'll go into a little bit. If you don't video a lot, then you probably want to leave it on power saver mode right there. But if you do, like me, you'll probably want to put it on quick start mode so it's ready to record whenever you push the record button. And that's the menu. Here I am zeroing the scope. You can see me accessing the menu. Traditional zero, up, down, left, right. I need to move to the left if I'm not mistaken. Yep. You can see that I went to the left and decided I needed to go to the right. And then it's as simple as entering, going back out of the menu, another round in the chamber. Let's get into some action. We've got a coyote sitting over here on the hill watching us. And there's another one just up from him between us and the cattle. And then on panning to the right, there's another one. All right, here they come in. They never really play ball with us, but those cows are about 800 yards away. So if that gives you some perception of just how far away those coyotes are. And you notice that I'm running the scope at 5 power, so that's zoomed in 1 click, because the scope is a base power of 2.5. And I really, really, really enjoy the Black Hot on this scope. It's the clarity of the Black Hot, in my opinion, is the best I've seen. Got a little bobcat action coming in. He's about 200 yards out. I'm recording it. Finally got a coyote in shooting range here, and Billy's going to take the shot. But as you can see, even at 10 times zoom, I can still see the detail of different heat on its fur. That Black Hot is just amazing. That's going to wrap this video up. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, and stay tuned for the next one.